Here S sound. So smiley face. Those of you who haven't had a chance to download keyboard, there are like online keyboards available. I just searched on Google and then this is what I found like on the top. It's called rana.com, Korean. I will send one in the chat. Okay, so we'll be starting by comparing some letters we learned last week and then try to type it here or on your keyboard if you downloaded it. Do I look smarter with glasses? Okay, so yes, that's exactly why I had to add this table, teacher table, and teacher glasses, so that you listen to me better. Alright, students, to remember. Oh. Do you remember these letters from the last time? So we're gonna just go try typing these letters. Okay, so when there's an input, there should be an output, and that's how you learn better. So that's what we are trying to do today. Last week was input, this week is output with keyboard. This is a G sound, but on keyboard, it's at our place. If that makes sense. That is over here. Do you see the key? Okay, go ahead and then type that 2 times. That means go go. That is go go go. Why the Pop-Tart sounds good. Yep. Okay, focus. Attention, students. Attention. No Pop-Tart time. Study time. If you need a minute, that's okay. You can go to the restroom. Not too late. Uh-oh. Guys, guys, if you have to go to restroom, you don't have to. You can just raise your hand and then go, or you can just go if you need to. Okay, so that was the first letter, G sound. And second one was N sound, which is at S key, where the S key is. So that's over here. So that's basically no. Okay, next one is B sound, which is located at Q. So that's over here. That's B sound. Ba. Bye-bye. 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 And then next we have a smiley face S sound. And then that one is located at T. See here, S sound. So smiley face. Next one is circle. So that is either no sound, just like a filler or place taker. Or you can say like mm. So that's A. Located at D. So right here, sound. This is This is usually This can be just too, because how you write it is actually, this is how you actually write the as in yes, but in text this is used a lot. Okay, so that was here. I had two more for keyboarding. This cook K sound, cook KK or LL. That is located at Z. So that'll be over here. Oh, not here. Okay. So that'd be k. Alright, that's actually used. So next one. I'm keep trying not to cough, so I'm maybe not be talking as much as usual. So water break. The last letter, the H sound is located at G in English key. So that'll be here. So this is like kind of laughing, but hee hee he that kind of stuff. So you can also do this G here.